Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing things a little differently. I know you guys have not heard me talk before, so this is what I sound like. And with the holidays coming up, or if you're Jewish, right now it's Hanukkah, I thought I'd do some unboxing. So, I'm very excited. I just got this last night for the first night of Hanukkah. And it is the Revolution Chocolate Revolution collection. Super exciting. I have not opened it yet, so I thought I would share that with all of you guys. Okay. Yay. Let's get the paper off. They make these boxes so hard to open. Okay, that's heavy. We have our first layer. Let's see what is in here. We have the chocolate milk fixing spray. So I am assuming that that is a setting spray. I've never heard it called a fixing spray, but okay, Revolution. Now let's see. We have what looks like an eyeshadow palette. Yes, it is. Beautiful eyeshadow palette. Let's get the plastic out of here. So get a nice close shot of that. That looks really pretty. It looks like a pretty decent mirror too. Yeah, see, you can see me. Yeah, overall, that looks nice. All right. They use a lot of cardboard. Okay, now we are in to the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys to see all the chocolate palettes. Very stylish. All right, let's start with, they gave me a little mirror. It says I Heart Revolution. Very cute. Then we got some brushes. Let's feel these brushes. Always test the brushes on the back of your hand because the front of your hand has way more germs on it. We have 3 eyeshadow brushes, it looks like. Let's see. So it looks like we have a base brush, a more lid shadow brush, and then a crease brush. So that's actually a pretty nice combination. We got some lipsticks, maybe? Lip gloss. I stand corrected. It says lip gloss on it. Those two look very nice. I will be doing tutorials with all of this that will be up in the coming days, so you will get to see what all of them look like on. Okay, I'm really excited about these. If I can get them out of the box. Okay, we'll go with pink first because obviously. So this is like actually 3D. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Ooh. All right. This is our first palette. Looks pretty nice. This one is called Berry Meringue. One thing I do love is they give you a key on the back that shows you which ones are pressed pigment and which ones are like more traditional eyeshadow. So I do like that about Revolution, and as with everything else I use, they are cruelty free, so yay them. All right, this palette is called Ginger and Orange. Again, we have a 3D chocolate bar. Ooh, so this one you get a more ginger and orange color scheme. Very pretty. These are gonna be really nice for some like warm wintry looks. All right, now we get into the smaller palettes. This one is Hot Chocolate Contour Palette. Let's take a look. Ooh, they even put, I don't know if y'all can see, they put drips like melting chocolate into the actual contour powder. That's pretty cool. These are probably a little dark for my skin tone, so I would probably use these more as eyeshadow or like mix it with something, but yeah, that's just for me. Let's see. And this one is called Champagne Truffle. This is supposed to be a highlighter palette. Let's take a look. Ooh. Ooh, I love makeup. Okay, so these are more my color scheme, and I tend to use actually shimmery contour anyway. So this you will definitely be seeing in a lot of my tutorials because that's nice looking. That's pretty cool. Okay. And last one. This is called Violet Crush, and this one's a shadow palette. No blush. That's interesting. I would have put a blush in. Next time, Revolution. That is nice though. Your nice purples. I really like when companies put in like the browns and like the very, very lights with the palettes, because even if it's supposed to be like all purple, they know that like you need a base, you need a highlight, like it goes with it. So I appreciate that touch. All right, that is all of the things in this box. For those of you who are wondering how much it costs, I believe it is $80 on their website. I did buy mine on Black Friday, so it was $40. I recommend you take advantage of online Black Friday shopping. Gotta stay safe, don't go in person. But yes, so keep an eye out for any deals, and of course I will let you guys know if I see any big deals. But yeah, that is the Chocolate Revolution box set. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.